Page 38, harmonization. Harmonization. It's too early in the morning. Where's my coffee? Simply is we're dealing with multiple notes at the same time, where you can hear multiple notes at the same time. Keep in mind that even when notes are like in a melody, you can still hear multiple notes at the same time, because after you hear a note, you continue to hear it even though other notes have come along. So if I do this, in my head I can still hear both notes as though I did that. That's just the way we work. That's harmony. That's harmonization. Here we're starting to get into it and improvising a little bit. You'll get this in lead sheets a lot, or in fake books. There are 2 lines here. In each line they give you the melody, and then they give you the starting chord in the bottom. Now normally in a fake book they would give you the melody and the name of the chord up above. That's it. But here, because we're just getting started, this is the way they're going to do it. So first thing you got to do when you get something like this is make sure you have that melody down well, because you need to focus on the accompaniment. So the melody needs to be pretty much automatic. This first one, we'll look it over. It's treble bass clef, 1 sharp, we're in the key of G major, 6/8 time, and just play the melody in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is fun. Just make sure you can play the melody okay. And the second one is an F major, 4/4 time. So it's in your here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, all the B's are B flat in F major. So make sure you can do the melodies okay. Then we can add the harmony. And what I like to do at first is I just want to hear it. And that's what we're doing here. They're just playing the 1 and the 5 of the chord here. The actual chord is here. It's a G chord, bottom G, and we're not using the middle note. We're just doing that. And it's just in G major. It makes sense, right? So you're just playing the chord with each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. And then the second one, we're in F major, and then with the chord here. Again, the whole chord is that. We're not using the middle note. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The idea is to hear it, to learn what that sounds like. So you know it sounds good. It doesn't sound like, it's what's going on? It's not what we're after here. That comes later. Right now you want to know what that sounds like. And that's all they're doing here. We'll get into more doing things with the left hand as we go through and we do other things. Yeah, let's just stick with that. I don't do play with me's on these kinds of things because it's just a melody and you can play that, I hope. Dynamic or speed or whatever you want to do, I don't care. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. You think that 1, 2, 3, 4, that's not Marato. Well, it's the feel of it. Here, if I want to feel it in 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, if I want to feel it in 2, that is a moderate 2. But if I want to feel it in 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that drags it. You have to listen. Is that really what the melody is telling you to do? I'm thinking no, and here we want to feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, and then the second one is fast, whatever you think fast is. 1, 2. You decide what those are. Yeah. But as I said, I'm not doing play with me's on. You can do this on your own. Let me know if you have questions.